Hello.
Good afternoon, Miss Landry.
Good afternoon.
All right, we're on the record in 22 CCR 231181, State of Texas versus Madreen Landry. Ms. Sparks.
Yes, sir.
Give me an update since our last meeting on Friday and her meeting with her probation officer, well, her pretrial monitor.
Well, her probation officer, Officer Garza said she did report. She took a drug test. She was negative. Her attorney sent over her prescriptions. And the medication that she's taking, we wouldn't be able to test for. It wouldn't show up on her drug screen anyway. But she did admit to him that she had drank alcohol the week prior.
Okay. Miss Landry, are we supposed to be drinking alcohol?
No, but they made us take a shot.
Who made you?
It's at a party that I was at.
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter where you're at. You cannot drink alcohol.
Okay.
And nobody's forcing you to take that.
No.
State.
Judge, I was just trying to check to see if Miss Landry has conditions of bond. I believe that she has standard conditions, including the no alcohol. And so I would just appreciate the court admonishing her about the importance of abiding by those conditions.
Oh, I didn't know.
Well, okay. Miss Landry, here's the thing. You knew about your conditions of probation or conditions of release, excuse me. I'm going to let this one slide. But if it happens again, do you understand what can happen?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me.
That I could go to jail.
That's right. Okay. I can revoke your bond, have you put into the county jail, and I'll set a new bond. I want to make sure you understand that.
I understand. I won't drink no more.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that. Mr. Washington, anything you'd like to add?
No, Your Honor. Chelsea only requested that or stated to me that if the court's open to a reset date of December 1st or the 15th, it would be fine with her, Your Honor.
Sarah, what are my dates?
December 1st or the 15th.
They set probation on the 15th.
They set your probation meeting with your pretrial monitor on the 15th?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Miss Landry, we're not going to use drugs. We're not going to use alcohol. We're not going to use any illicit substance whatsoever. You understand?
Okay.
All right. If it happens again, I'm going to revoke your bond.
Okay. And what does negative mean?
Means that when they tested you, that there was no drugs shown in your system whatsoever.
Okay.
All right. Let's reset it to 12-1 and we'll go from there. Miss McMoody, anything else?
Judge, I was just going to ask Ms. Sparks whether they received the information regarding Ms. Landry's prescriptions.
Yes. Officer Garza said her attorney emailed it to him.
Okay. And so is she currently under care?
Well, I don't know. He didn't report that. She was supposed to let us know today when her next mental health appointment was.
Okay.
She's still not answering. But I'm been she answered once and then she hung up. You want me to give you her number?
I can well, they're not going to tell us too much of anything if we don't have a release of information.
Judge, may I ask a couple of other questions, sir?
Oh, go for it.
Is Ms. Landry, do we know whether she's seeing a private psychiatrist, correct? Right?
Yes.
And so was she not eligible for services through Texana?
I don't believe she was.
I'm not in Texana.
I know. So did you ever try to go to Texana?
No, because I don't have a ride.
Okay. Judge, I'm wondering whether it might be appropriate for us to try to refer her to Takumi. That might address a lot of the additional services that she might need, like the assistance of getting to here and there, and getting, assistance contacting the various vendors. So I will loop Ms. Martin in, and I'll include Texana to see if Ms. Landry qualifies for Texana services and whether she can get into Takumi. And if she can't, we can address it by the next setting and figure out when her next appointment would also be, if she doesn't.
That sounds good. Okay. Mr. Washington, anything else you'd like to add?
No, Your Honor. I'll be sure to provide Chelsea with whatever updates I can, but nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, very good then. All right, Miss Landry, we'll see you in person in my
All
courtroom
right.
on December 1st at 2 p.m.
All right.
Okay. All right.
All right. All right. Bye.
Goodbye.
May I be
Happy
excused, Your
Thanksgiving.
Honor?
Yes, you may. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, Judge. Same to you.
All right, let's